Hello guys, my name is Edo Subeme from the website Design Altitude, and in this segment of our JavaScript Blueprint course, we're going to be talking about if statements. And statements are used in testing whether a condition is true or false, so to speak. So without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead and dive into the stuff. So let's take for instance, okay, you know what I'll do for what I'll do now is I'll take all these things away. So let me save this and preview this in our browser. Okay, everything is gone. So what if statement I use for is this? Is used for testing whether two conditions are true or false. So let's take for instance I want to compare John's age and James' age and see if they are the same age. So what I'll do is I'll use if statement to check whether their age is the same, and if it's not the same, I'll know. So let's go ahead and do a live example here. I can say John's age equals 25, for instance. Okay. Then I will create another variable, say James age equals 26. So what I'll do now is I'll check if both of them, if both of them are age mates, so to speak. So I'll say if John's age equals, this equals means I'm comparing. If I use a single equals like this, it means I'm assigning a value to this variable. The difference is this: if I use a single equal sign, it means I'm assigning this value of 25 to John's age. Makes sense? But if I use double equals to like this, it means I'm comparing the two if they are the same. So when you're writing your if statement, always use double equal sign. So I'll say James age. Okay. If John's age equals James age, so I'll say alert, for instance, they are age mates. Okay. And I'll say S. That's if their age is not the same. I'll say alert, they are not age mates. Is it mates or mates? I think use single. I'll move S. They are not age mates. So let's go ahead and run this code and see. Obviously, it's going to say they are not age mates. So let's check it. You see, it said they are not age mates. But what if I change the value of James' age to 25 too? Then I'll save this. Okay, when I save it, I'll refresh it again, see what it's going to tell us. They are age mates. Makes sense? So, if statement, like let's take for instance, a user if you want to check whether a user's password is correct, okay, we can use if statement to do that. So what I'll do now is I'll get this thing off, take it off, then I'll create this form here. I'll say input, let me say password. So let's take for instance I want to check whether my user is entering the right password. Okay, so I will use if statement to do that. So I'll give this an ID of password 2. Okay, then a button 2. Let me say login. Let me say login for instance. Okay, so I'll give this an ID to say btn for the ID. Okay, so let me save it and see what I have right now. So I'll say okay, I have Okay, it does nothing until I write code for it. Okay, so let's give it a password. Okay, let's give it a password. Let's say use variable. Say variable password. Okay, equals. Okay, I say password versus password equals pass. Oh no, it's a string. Pass 1 2 3. Okay, semicolon. Then what I'll do now is I will say document dot get element by ID. Okay, which element am I getting now? I'm getting the button first, btn. Then I'll say dot on click. When it's clicked equals function. Function this. Okay. So okay, when this button is clicked, okay, I want this function to run. So I'll say document dot get element by ID. Okay, which element am I getting by ID now? Now let me store this as a variable. Okay, I'll say, let me store this. I'll say var variable entered pass. Okay, that's password entered. Let me say pass entered. Pass entered. Okay, equals document dot get element by ID. Okay, what element am I getting by ID? I'm getting the password. That's this one. Say password. Then I'm getting a value. Okay, so I'm getting a value. So now it's time for me to write my if statement. It's time for me to write my if statement. So what I'll do is I'll say if password, that's this, equals, okay, if it's equals to pass entered, then I'll say alert login successful. Okay, semicolon, then I'll say s alert please try again. So let's go ahead and save this and try our code and see. Okay, so let me enter the wrong password. Okay, say please try again. But if I enter pass 1 2 3, say login successful. You see? So that's the code we've written here. So if somebody, this is very important, like when you're creating a login form, okay, and you want to check whether the user entered the right password, it's very useful. Okay, like as you can see what we've done here. So if the person entered the wrong password here, it will say please try again. But if you enter the right password, let's see, person say pass 1 2 3, login successful. So my friend, that's the power of using if statements. So you can actually learn about more. You can learn more about if statements on Google, and that's it, my friend. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.